Hi everyone, this is Carlene Vaughn and I want to show you another OneNote quick tip. This is for all of you who are trying to figure out the easy way to review student work. So first thing, I'm going to open OneNote on my desktop client version. And I want to be in my Vaughn multi-subject notebook. And I'm going to open that notebook. And I want you to go to the Class Notebook tab. When you go to Class Notebook, you're going to go to Review Work. And now I have the data folder as a separate section, or I have two section groups, Math and Science. What I'm looking for is actually in the data folder. So I'm going to click that. And I have this little pop-up over here on the right, and these are the pages that are listed in my data section or my data folder. Okay, so right now all I've got is a goal sheet and an untitled page. So I'm going to go to goal sheet and click that little plus sign. When I click that plus sign, I get 5 names that appear. These are the only 5 students I have in my notebook. And you will see the names of everyone in this notebook that has that assignment distributed. This is also a good way to check to see if someone is missing that page. So what happens is, I've actually looked at these already. But when you first come in, everybody's name is bolded, and as you've reviewed the page, their name will unbold. That way you can tell who you've looked at and who you haven't. So basically all you do is you click on their name, and so now we're looking at Melissa's goal setting sheet. And here is Kerr. You can see her name, Thomas, Caitlin, and Lavisha. So what I want to do now, that's how you review the work. But you also need to give the student some feedback. So the easiest way to do that, you have 2 options. You can type a little comment up here at the top. So I'm going to start with, we'll just do Lavisha since she's pulled up. I'm going to just go, do you see how the title of the page is here and this line? If I go just to the right of it, it should let me type here, no problem. And I'm going to say, needs more work. Incomplete. Okay? And I might even put my initials, that way the student knows it was me. I can also highlight this, and I can highlight the text. I can make it a little bit bigger if I want, to make it a little bit easier for the student to see. The point is that we want them to be able to know as soon as they pull it up, oh, they've got some feedback. Okay? The other thing you can do is, I'm going to switch students now to give you another example. We can also add stickers. Okay? So here's Melissa, and from what I can see right here, she's got her name, she's done her goal, and the date to achieve her goal by. So we're going to say that she finished this assignment. So if I want to add a sticker, what I'm going to do is go to Insert. And all the way over here on the right is a Stickers button. If you don't have this already, it is a Class Notebook add-in. So, or excuse me, a OneNote add-in. And you can easily submit a ticket to IT Service Desk and have that added to your OneNote. If you do have it, just click the button and you get another little pop-up. And these are all the different kinds of stickers you can use. So there's fruit. It's called Fruit Salad. Classic. There's check marks, mixed vegetables for some reason, little devices, silly supplies, and all sorts of other silly options. So what I'm going to do actually is go with a pretty standard version. And I can do a check, an X, or stars. So let's say this is pretty basic. I don't think she went above and beyond. So I'm just going to take this star and click it once. And there you go. Now it's been inserted on the page. And I can leave it like that, but I'd rather not cover up her work. So I'm just going to click on it. And you can see it brings up the corners. So I'm just going to resize. And I can drag it out of the way just a little bit. There we go. And when you're finished adding stickers, you can just click this little X right here. And now we're done. So I think this should have been a pretty good review for you on how to review student work, including how to put comments on the work as well as leave stickers. And I hope that helps.